Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is days 3 through 7 of our house remodel. It covers everything that we've done inside. I have video of us doing the different projects, and then at the end I have a tour of what has been done. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. And after we're done with the house remodel, we get to build our bus. That's what I'm really looking forward to. I don't want to miss it. I want to make sure you don't miss it. Please hit that subscribe button. Now let's get to the footage.
This is kind of nice working with the pink stuff.
It scrapes off pretty good.
Sprayed the ceilings in the master bathroom. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. I probably should have put it on a little bit thicker, but it looks really good. It's pretty consistent across the whole room. Went better than I could expect it, and this room isn't exactly square. It's got the cubby for the shower, a cubby for the bathtub, kind of a little entryway-like area. I think doing a big ceiling is going to be a lot easier. I am going to scrape the whole house and do all the ceilings. It's not worth leaving the popcorn up. It's not that hard to get rid of it, and dollar-wise, it's really cheap to put up the new stuff. I don't think it's going to cost me $100 to do the whole house. I think it's worth it. But it's a couple more days of my time. Another day of scraping, another day of spraying, but I'm looking forward to it. And it's 10:45, August 4th. I got some time left before the end of the month. I better get back to work.
Walk down Franklin Highway and just walking down the block to the top of Hollywood Boulevard. There I am at 800 feet, blew up.
Sometimes you need a break. I mean, I can speak like to music. You know, I mean, I had a job where I got paid to play music and drink Jägermeister like for a living, and I got sick of that. And most people are like, "How do you get sick of that?" It's like, well, you can have your fill of anything, you know. But because I'm self-employed, you know, she just a couple days a week, she teaches some classes and stuff. And so just like, okay, I start to shop with me, or I go late, or you know, whatever. I can always work on Sunday instead of Friday if I have to. So we just have that sort of ebb and flow where we do that, which is people that have 95s or in your case 99s. It gets more difficult, you know. And you have more kids.
Oh, we probably cleaned under here, what, when you
put the
Fix
igniter
the
in.
igniter, yeah.
That was years ago too.
Yeah, there's still orange paint on the floor and everything back here.
It was the cabinet lock, and our youngest is 14, that tells me the thing hasn't been out for a while. Then the letter J, was it the magnetic fridge letter?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a tight squeeze. This is what makes remodeling so much harder than just building in the first place. This wall here, 35 inches wide. Bathroom cabinets, vanities, come in 36 inches and 24 inches. 36 inches doesn't quite fit. I could do like the builder did and just ram a 36-inch cabinet in a 35-inch hole. I don't really want to do that. What I wanted to do was put a 24-inch cabinet in here, have like 5.5 inches on each side, have it look like a piece of furniture. It sits on legs. There's a couple of them that I liked. Hadn't decided which one I wanted yet. I just pulled this cabinet out a little bit ago. My drain pipe comes out of the wall. My hot and cold water come out of the floor. My option of this cabinet that looked like a piece of furniture is going to look terrible with this drain pipe here. So now I got to move the drain pipe to that wall. Possible, but adds work. Or the other thing I wanted was a floating cabinet. Well, that would look better if this water supplies came out of the wall. That's just as hard as moving the drain pipe. I don't know what to do. I'm probably going to sleep on it tonight, but maybe I'll have to hit a store and do some research. Just kind of some brainstorming. Maybe it's time to head down to IKEA.
But it worked. And then you do things that are a little bit more of a stretch, I would say, in difficulties, like guitars, for instance. Like your guitar builds are absurdly impressive, and
I've never polyed off a room as easy as I can with that double-sided tape. First I went around with blue 3M tape to make sure that the spackle and the paint that's going to come after it stays on the ceiling and not the walls. And then I go around with this double-faced masking tape that I just found out existed. I wish I knew it existed forever because it is awesome. It is amazing how quickly you can put up poly and do it yourself. You're not trying to hold poly and tape at the same time and having them stick to each other. It just... Just fill up the hopper and do the other side.
Okay.
So, I can get it just lighter weight now.
Okay.
The first time this bucket's twice as heavy.
It was kind of small, and pulled out and pushed it up to a certain height, so it's the sort of height that you put in your PA system. So in some way, I think it's really useful for musicians, because there's no standard set, you have the speaker stands already, so you can put on the,
Okay, do we want to leave this on?
The toilet paper holder?
Yeah. I think it's fine. I think
Yeah.
we can paint around it.
We can paint around it, we're gonna want it.
Well, yeah, I know we're gonna want it.
So. Right? Yeah, that's a perfect spot for him. It's the end of day 7. I couldn't handle the mess anymore, so I decided to clean up the place a little bit. And then, being it's clean, I decided to give everyone a tour of what has been done during the first week. I'm going to start in the entryway. I painted the door wood grain last summer. I finally put the coat of clear on it the other day. I'm glad I didn't do it right away. I preferred the dull finish over the shiny. I'm probably going to find a way to dull it down. The woodwork around the door was sanded and finished by my dad. It's going to need a second coat of finish, but man, does it look nicer right now. That brings us to the front living room. I have scraped the popcorn off the ceiling. I still need to mop the ceiling with a damp sponge, and then it's time to spray texture on it. My dad also sanded the trim in this room and the windows, and has got one coat of finish on it. Once again, wow. Brings us to the hallway. Refinished door. Refinished wall, or top of the wall I should say. Refinished windows, refinished trim in here. No trim on, or no finish on the banister yet, but my dad has given it a light sanding. Brings us to the kitchen. Kitchen's just kind of deconstructed. The cabinets have all been disassembled. All the cabinet boxes have been sanded. They're ready for paint, or they're ready for primer, then paint. The ceiling has been cleared of all the popcorn ugliness. I should probably not move so fast. Garage entry, popcorn has been cleared. Half bath, popcorn has been cleared. Cabinet's been removed. I finally figured out what I'm going to do for my plumbing. I'm just going to buy fancy stuff that's shiny and looks good, and I don't care if you can see it. Get rid of the ugly. Carpeting's been removed from the whole house except for the stairs and a small part of the master. I should bring you into the den. The trim in the den has been sanded by my dad, refinished, looks wonderful. I've scraped the popcorn ceiling and I sprayed a textured ceiling just a couple hours ago, or knocked down texture ceiling. I'm sure that doesn't look great. It looks nice. I'm sure the camera didn't make it look nice. Let's go upstairs. What was my daughter's room? I removed the trim. It had been painted black. I will put new trim on. This room will get white trim. The ceiling has been sprayed with a knockdown texture. Obviously the popcorn's been removed. The carpeting's been removed. My sunroom is very similar. The woodwork has been sanded. It has not got a coat of poly on it though. Knockdown ceiling is done. I guess it needs to be primed and painted. I'm leaving one untouched bathroom for right now because, well, bathrooms are nice. My wife put one coat of primer on the vanity from our bathroom tonight. We still got a little bit of furniture in here we have to move. I still need to take the popcorn down from in our room. I still need to take the popcorn out of our closet. Our master bath is moving along. This was the first room that I put knockdown ceiling in. I didn't do it quite as thick as I'd like, but it's consistent and looks nice, so it's staying. Obviously the vandy's been removed. Toilet's going to get replaced. Trim still needs sanding in here and refinishing. And I'm probably going to be putting a floor in here tomorrow or the next day. I really miss that bathtub right now. My legs are sore, my back is sore. I want to get this room done so I can take baths before we sell this place. Tomorrow, the scaffolding. Thank you, PolyShield. They're letting me borrow their scaffolding and I'll be able to take this popcorn ceiling off out here. I'll be able to paint out there, be able to do everything nice and safely and not worry about that. Yeah, I'm much happier working off of scaffolding than working off of a ladder. I don't want to move the ladder all the time. It's not a lot of fun. But that's where we at. That's where I'm at. I have popcorn ceiling left in here, popcorn ceiling left in here, popcorn ceiling left in the laundry room. I have a lot of work left to do. Hopefully I get more done week 2 than I did week 1. Week 1 had a lot of demo. Demo never goes as fast as I'd like it to. But everything seems to be moving together. We've picked out some fixtures. We've picked out some bathroom stuff and all that. And I'm happy with the progress forward. I'm having a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace.